In order to meet different requirements of mass production with high speed, high accuracy, and high efficiency, ARGO spends time in continuous research and testing, and has developed an economical model of CNC tapping center, A45. It not only boosts the efficiency of drilling and tapping, but also offers the milling capacity to suit the machining of various parts. Besides, A45 is minimizing the floor space to increase high productivity and reduce costs. Controller system has Mitsubishi or FANUC system, which can be operated easily to get accurate cutting. ISO 30 spindle taper with standard spindle speeds of 8,000 RPM, optional 12,000 RPM, and the structure is cartridge type, which offers good rigidity and easy maintenance. Heavy-duty and high-precision spindle adopts Class P4 bearings for extremely smooth running at high speeds with long service life. Its low-inertia device provides fast CW and CCW spindle revolution. XYZ axes rapid traverse are 36, 36, 30 meters per minute, which can reduce non-cutting time. All the 3-axis servo motors adopt absolute encoder, and it's not necessary to make zero return before machining every time. Besides, there's no limit switch on 3 axes, which lets the machine be more reliable and causes less trouble. Armless CAM Type 12 Tools Capacity Magazine has simple structure which offers fast tool change, less breakdown, and easy maintenance. The tool selection method is random type, and the tool to change time is only 1.8 seconds. Above the central base, there's a screw-type chip conveyor, which can remove chips to the back of the chip bucket easily. To assure stable quality and superior cutting accuracy, every machine is precisely measured by laser interferometer system, ball bar testing equipment, spindle dynamic balance adjustment, spindle speeds instrument, and so on. The exact cutting sample shows 2D character engraving on the center in spindle speeds of 8,000 RPM to drill diameter of 0.5 millimeter per depth of 6 millimeter holes on the pattern around the workpiece. The maximum rigid tapping is up to 6,000 RPM on Mitsubishi controller and up to 5,500 RPM on FANUC controller.